I was actually preparing myself for a backward area where the people must be poor, where there must be no facilities. But I was amazed at the array of the highways which have been built through the difficult terrain, because now Tibet is connected not only to the world through a massive array of roads and railways, but also through the internet, which is available to the local people and for the world to connect in and see for themselves what has been achieved by the Chinese government and the Communist Party of China. Tibet is one of the toughest battlegrounds for fighting poverty. But you see, where there is a resolve, and the resolve is for the betterment of mankind, the betterment of humanity, and for the betterment of the local Tibetan people, they have been relocated in houses which have the best of facilities, including running water, including heating, including the gas for cooking, as well as the internet facilities. They have been provided with besides their residences, pastoral grounds where the horses and cattle can graze, and where they can build their tents also, and also invite tourists so that they can earn a little bit of extra revenue. I saw by visiting different temples that the rituals are not only being practiced, but they are being preached, and it is a site for tourists, but also for local Tibetans to come and practice the religion, and there is no restriction on them. In fact, they are encouraged.